Hey everyone! In today's video, I will be showing you how I style my short little pixie hair without using any heat. So this is going to be a quick and easy tutorial, and I hope this will be helpful to you if you have hair like me, as I am currently growing out my buzz cut. So in this video, I have not yet cut my hair since. So the first thing I'll be doing is making sure my hair still feels damp, as I did just wash my hair. However, as I was doing my makeup, my hair has been drying, so yeah. And then I comb my hair to make sure the water is evenly distributed throughout my hair. The first product I will use is currently one of my favorite hair serums, which is the Leonor Grey Serum de Soie Sublimateur. So it's great for frizz control, and it protects my hair from humidity, heat, and it leaves my hair so shiny and soft. And now I'm adding 3 more pumps for the back of my hair, as I have very thick and dry hair, so I can get away with it. Once I'm done, I go back in with my comb, making sure everything is evenly applied. Then for the second product, another one of my favorites, which I've been using for many years now, is the Moroccanoil Smoothing Lotion. This leave-in is perfect for this look, as I'm going for a very smooth and shiny pixie hair. As I'm not using any heat, I want to make sure my hair is as smooth and shiny as possible. So this lotion is definitely gonna help me with that. Oh, and on top of that, the smell of this leave-in is divine. Okay, then for the third step, which will give me a long-lasting strong hold to keep my hair smooth until my next hair wash. That is the Kevin Murphy Freehold Styling Paste. So this is my go-to for pixie hair. Now, personally, I like to use a generous amount of product. This will ensure that I get incredible hold and anti-frizz protection. I want this look to be very elegant and sophisticated. Now, another thing I always do is I make sure I always comb in between applying products to evenly distribute everything throughout my hair. And this is important so I don't miss any spots and have control over my hair and make it behave everywhere. For this look, I'm going for a side part, so it's all about getting it to lay perfectly flat and smooth. I just have to play with it until it lays exactly how I want to. This is actually easier than it may look on camera. For me, I would say it usually takes about a couple of minutes before I'm done with this. Okay, so as you can see, I first make sure my hair is parted, and I have the overall layout of my hair done. Once I got my side part just right, I start to focus on my bangs and the side of it. So I want my bangs laying flat, making sure it smoothly transitions to the sides of my hair. So I will just keep combing it and playing with it until I get it the way I want to. So now I start to slightly separate the pieces of my bangs, which I like to use both my fingers and the back of my comb for more precision. Now I am quite the perfectionist, so every piece has to lay perfect with me because I want to make sure my bangs dry and harden in exactly this look, so it will continue to look like this throughout the week. This is to make the bangs look more wispy looking and playful, which I like, and it just gives it a little extra something, I think. So now it's all about the last finishing touches to complete the look. It's all about detail work now. And this is what gives it a very wispy yet elegant look. Now I move on to the back of my hair, making sure everything looks smooth there as well. Now I'm going to let my hair completely air dry before I go back in with a hair oil to break down the pomade cast and apply some extra nourishment, hydration, and shine to my hair. For the last step, now that my hair is completely dry, I'm applying some of the Virtue Healing Oil. First rubbing and warming it up in my hands, and then I start to smooth it and press it down into my hair until my hands feel completely dry. And as you can see, the shine is incredible, just the way I like it. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the back, and as you can see, now that my hair is growing out, I have natural wavy hair which is starting to show, but it doesn't really bother me, so yeah. So this is what it looks like, and I will just go to bed like this with nothing on my head and show you what my hair looks like on day 2 after sleeping on it. So this is day 2 hair. This is what it looks like, and as you can see, it's still looking good. Usually throughout the week, because of this technique and products I use, I just play with my fingers to smooth it down, and that's all it takes and I'm good to go. And this is because the Kevin Murphy Freehold pomade has like a very flexible, moldable finish, so it's very easy to just mold the hair back to its position throughout the week with just my hands. Okay, so this is the end of the tutorial. This is how I style my Pixie hair without heat and make it last until my next hair wash day. I hope you liked it, and till next time.